talking about a new subscription box that I have been subscribed for quite a while and I absolutely love it. It's called YesohYas. It's makeup and beauty subscription. It costs $15 a month and it guarantees from 3 to 7 full-size products. So today I'm going to be showing you what I've got in the April and May. And no, this video is not sponsored. I did buy all the boxes myself. So I decided to share my experience with them and see if that is something that you were wondering about. And the first thing is a crown brush set. It's a synthetic brushes set. Actually, it looks very neat. I'm pleasantly surprised. I absolutely love it. All right, so this is the first thing. And the value of the set is $29.99. The next thing is Terra Mineral Cosmetics. It's a mineral bronzer. That's a very shiny, pretty color. If you can see. It's a very nice sheen to it. I absolutely love it. It's pretty cool. That works as a highlighter too. It's popping. All right, so this was from Terra Mineral Bronzer in the shade NB2 Central. The retail value of this one is $24.99. The next thing I got is the Pandora Beauty Step 3 Perfect Flutter Mascara, Jet Black. And this is how the wand looks like. All right, so Pandora Flutter Mascara retail value is $29.99. And the next and the last thing I got in the month of April is Galactic Beauty Eyeliner in the shade Gray. Ooh, that's actually very nice, a gray. Let me swatch. Ooh, that's very soft. And this is how the shade looks like. And the Galactic Mechanical Eyeliner, the retail value is $19.99. So we got 4 full-size products in April, which are absolutely amazing. The retail value of each product that I got is way higher than the subscription alone. So it's definitely a bingo. I totally love it. So I'm definitely keeping the subscription going for sure. All right, let's move on and see what did I get in May. So in May I got 5 full-size products, and the first thing is the Cosmoholic by Giuliano. It's a lipstick. I think it's a lipstick. And it has a little neon light on it, and it has also a mirror. So that's very super neat. I absolutely love it. And the color is amazing. I think I might just take off my color and put this on. But let me swatch it for you. It's very creamy. It's probably like a glossy pigment. Let me see. Yeah, it's a liquid lipstick. And here is the color. I totally love it. I love the color. The value of the Cosmoholic liquid lipstick is $25. So the next thing is La Habana from Nomad. All right, so this is how it looks like. The packaging is actually very neat, and this is the color. It's a like goldish khaki color. Let me swatch it for you guys. That's a very interesting color. So the retail value of the Nomad Cosmetic Havana eyeshadow is $18. The next thing I got is the Estate Dewy Me Baked Highlighter. It's in the shade of gold. It's actually a very, very pretty color. Let me swatch it for you guys. Ooh, that is a pigmented. Look at this. Look at this color. I think I can use it also as an eyeshadow, as a highlighter. That's pretty cool. I love the color. The next thing I got is the Sormi Treatment Cosmetics, and it's a smear-proof eyeliner. Alright, so here is the color. It's actually great too, just a little darker than the other one, but it's very soft. Alright, so this one, the retail value of it is $18. And the next thing I got is the Laritzi, I don't know how to spell it, but it's Laritzi Cosmetics and it's a lip pencil. This one retails for $18. Oh, those are pretty. I thought it would be like a burgundy, but it's red. I like it. That's a pretty color. And it's very soft too, so I absolutely love it. So this sums it up, guys, what I've got in April and May. I am absolutely amazed with this subscription box. Out of all the subscription boxes I'm subscribed to, I think this one is absolutely my favorite and totally worth every single penny that I ever spent with them. So yeah, $15 a month and you're getting about $90, $80, $100 dollars worth of products. As you can see, April had 4 full products, which the brush set alone has 12 pieces, so you can't beat that. And the May subscription box was 5 absolutely amazing products. I'm totally gonna use all of them probably in my future tutorials too. If you would like me to create a look using this product, just let me know down below in the comments. Let me know if you are subscribed already for this box and what are your thoughts about it. So far, I absolutely love it. Alright guys, this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. I love you all and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!